Building Doctor Tile Fix Booster is a product which is used to get a good bonding between tiles and cement slurry. The special features of Building Doctor Tile Fix Booster are: it prevents debonding, prevents hollow sound, it is long lasting, it has high bonding strength, it is easy to use. It can be mixed with cement slurry for sticking flooring tiles of different types. Before using Building Doctor Tile Fix Booster, ensure you are ready with all the tools shown in the visual. Before using this product, it is mandatory to wear appropriate protective gear. Now let us see how to use this product. For a 50 kg bag of cement, mix 250 ml of Building Doctor Tile Fix Booster with potable water thoroughly with the help of a machine. Building Doctor Tile Fix Booster should not be mixed directly with cement. Let us now see the effectiveness of Building Doctor Tile Fix Booster through an experiment. As shown in the visual, we can see the difference between a normal cement slurry mixture and Building Doctor Tile Fix Booster mixed cement slurry mixture. Thus, Building Doctor Tile Fix Booster ensures a high bonding in the slurry and prevents hollow sounds in between the slurry and tiles. The pot life of Building Doctor Tile Fix Booster may vary according to temperature and other site conditions. Before using this product, carefully follow the instructions shown in the visual.